welcome back to Style Me Up with Sakshi. Today I have another haul video for you guys because I recently shopped from Coops. And if you guys know me, you would know that Coops is one of my favorite websites ever. So this last 2 months I got a few stuff before going to Bombay, after going to Bombay, and recently I would like to combine all of them for you guys. And if you guys would want to buy any of these products, I will try to link whatever is available in the description box below so that you guys can directly go and buy these products. So without wasting any more time, let's just get into the whole video. So guys, the first thing that I got was this denim jacket with a lot of patchwork. This patchwork is so in it, it's everywhere, literally on all online websites, especially on Coops. They have some really nice patchwork t-shirts and pants and jackets like this one. And if you guys know me, I am so into denim jackets. I can wear them literally every single day without a fail. The next thing that I got was this beautiful cropped top with bell sleeves on it. This is such a classy top and it fits so nice on me, guys. It fits so nice on me. I'm so happy I got this top. The only thing bad about this top is I had to literally pin this up with a safety pin because I wore it in Bombay. Neckline is way too deep and I don't want to show, stuff. So the next thing that I got was this skirt, this button down off-white color skirt, which is so beautiful. But this skirt caused so much problem to me. Literally, I had to get this altered thrice after buying it because I tend to get generally a size bigger than my size because my thighs are heavier and my waist is pretty much large and my thighs are like extra large. So I always have difficulties in buying skirts and stuff. So if you guys don't know this about me, I have this phase of wearing skirts, like just skirts to college, and I'm still in that phase, I think. So this is the skirt that I got. This reminds me of cotton candy for some reason. It's so beautiful. It is so like quirky and girly and just like cute at the same time. So I can pair it up with a good amount of things like a crop top, a white crop top or a black crop top or something and wear it definitely. The next thing that I got was this blazer, this peach colored blazer. It is so beautiful and I'm so sad that it does not fit as nicely on me as it should have. So I'm in like double mind, should I return it or should I just keep it? You guys tell me in the comment section below if I should return it or I should keep it. But this is the place that I got. That's it for all the clothing items that I got from Coops in the last 2 months or something. I'm sorry if anything is sold out because yes, I bought some of the things a while back, so there are possibilities that some things might be sold out, but whatever is not, I will link it in the description box below so you guys can go check it out and look for your sizes. The next thing that I got, the only pair of sandals that I got off of Coops were these. These are so beautiful, so unique. Oh my god, I love these buckled sandals. I think they're inspired from the Topshop belt. I have belts which are very similar to these on my online photo shop, which is available on Instagram and Facebook. It is called SMU The Shop. If you don't know about it already, you must go follow it if you like my fashion and you would want to buy things that are literally my babies. So you can go to SMU The Shop and buy off of it. I have some really cool new pieces available on SMU The Shop. You should check them out. And that's all for my haul. It ended up fairly quickly and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, well, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, I'm waiting. Yeah, I am genuinely waiting for you to click the subscribe button. And also click the like button. Tell me which one was your favorite in the comment section below. If you aren't following me on Snapchat and Instagram, know that I post my OOTDs and different outfit inspiration posts on Instagram and Snapchat, so you guys should follow me there to get like your daily dose of inspiration. And I will see you very soon. Bye.